Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package. So let's open up and see what's inside. There's a pick universal compatibility, 1/4 thread, 2 clips for smartphone, iPad, laptop. Different brightness levels, CRI for photo video, adjustment, brightness color. This is a mobile phone LED. Okay, different color, brightness levels. Let's open it. Okay. LED here. Something heater here, I guess. Thread there. Thread here. Some buttons, some charging ports, plus minus. The on and M. Not sure what that is. There you go. Turn it on. Different color modes. Then you can decrease brightness if you need to. And turn it off. With a few mounts. So this one clip onto your laptop maybe, or your phone. And screw it in there. Use USB-C to charge. Here you have a stand of some sort. And here's instructions. So that is it. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.